Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can, fix your TikTok effects not showing problem. So if you guys do not know what effects are in TikTok, it's basically like those Snapchats filter but in TikTok. So let me show you guys how you guys can access it. First, you can click on this plus button. Once you click on this plus button, your camera should open up just like this, and you guys can see the effect panels over here. You can click on this effect panel and you can choose whichever effect you want by clicking on it, or like by scrolling from here and choosing the one which you like. So that's basically what effects are. But if you don't see the effect over here, then basically it means that like that effect which you want to use is not available in your country. So basically all the effects you want to use are not going to be available in your country. Some effect may not be also available in your country, so make sure that. But if your friend is using that effect which is in your same country but you can't, then basically you can do this thing. First, make sure your TikTok is up to date, because if it is caused by some kind of bug, then updating your TikTok would fix it. But if your TikTok is up to date and you still have this problem, then what you can do is hold on TikTok, click on app info. So basically we're going to offload TikTok. Basically offloading TikTok means we're going to delete all the data and cache stored by TikTok in your phone, and basically going to restore TikTok to its latest version. For Apple user or iPhone user, it's going to be offloading your app, but for Android user, we're going to be clearing the data. So we're going to click on clear data, click on clear. Wait for some time until it's cleared, and as you guys can see, it's cleared. Now basically what I can do is open TikTok and go to my camera icon, and my filter should be over there. So these are the ways on how you guys can fix your TikTok effect not working. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day, and yeah, comment down below which is your favorite filter on TikTok as well.